Welcome back, everybody.
Hello, folks.
How are you all today? We are doing great. We are in the garage, and we are installing some RCV front axles in the Gladiators. It is awesome. We love these things. We have been waiting for it forever. We finally pulled the trigger on it, and we are going to install them today. How excited are you?
Oh, man, I can't even talk.
We also have a couple other things we're going to be doing in the garage today, if we got time to do it. So let's start filming. Let's stop talking. You ready to go?
Let's do this.
Let's get after it. Bam. All right, guys. So we're going to start with Nemesis on this one. Here is the beautiful new axle shafts. We were just talking. One orange little boot gets us so excited. Having that boot in there. That's great. But obviously we had to do two different axles shafts because if you all remember, Matt has the wide track 44, I have the narrow track 44, so they are technically two different styles. Same thing though, except width. And I believe, we might be a broken record, I can't remember if we've ever said this, but I think it's about a 2-inch difference.
I think that's what it stated, yeah.
Between those axles and these axles is what the difference is between the two. So this won't work in that. His won't work in mine. So make sure you're paying attention to all the little captions and whatnot when you're reading up if you're ever going to do RCVs. And I think it goes without saying, first off, take the tire off. So we do have to apologize to you guys if you watched the JK install video. A lot of footage was cut because when we were filming, I had camera in the wrong places. So most of the footage was either of everyone's butts or ankles. So that's why the video was super short. It's because
this video was dedicated to you, Joe, because we know how much you like butts.
Turn off the bitch.
We're drilling.
Alright, sorry guys. I was not recording before we decided to take the rotor off, but we got that drilled out. It was a pain, per usual. But as always, if you have these type of rotors with the stupid bolt that holds it in place, get rid of them. They're ridiculous.
Throw them away!
Throw them away! So, process it, took the caliper off. All that comes off the rotor, the dust shield, the ABS sensor comes out. The hub bearing bolts, there's 3 of them. Take those out, and that's where we're at. We were just working on taking the skid plate off the FAD because we got to get in there to take everything apart in there. So that's where we're at. That's where we're moving on to, beating this stupid thing off. Nice!
There she went.
Boom! Alright. Got the hub out. Been waiting for that. Now we're gonna start working on the FAD. Taking all that apart. I think that was 10mm as well.
Looks like 10mm.
Alright, so we got the old shaft out, both of them. Now we're working on getting the new stuff in. So with the FAD, the front passenger side is a 2-piece setup. So got some dirt crap on it. That's correct. I have to put this clamp, or C-clip, clamp, whatever you want to call it. Slide it back on, the new one. Hopefully, maybe.
There she went.
Cool. Whoops. Ah! Sorry, guys.
Man, you're throwing around our viewers.
I am. You guys don't get motion sickness. Once that slid in all the way.
I mean, should we put a disclaimer on there that please wear a motion sick tab before you watch our videos?
You have been warned. Slide. And then this ring is what connects both shafts when you kick it in 4-wheel drive. Slide that onto that side. That way it gets over there for a second until we get the other shaft thrown in.
Just so you guys all know, I'm learning this too. Zech is...
Oh, I'm learning as we go along, everyone.
Yeah.
Don't be fooled. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright guys, so we weren't filming any of that because I'm a moron. So we got... Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. We had a tough time fighting this, but don't put any of this back together yet until you have this shaft and boot in here. Elsewise, you're going to have to retake everything out and start again, right?
Yes.
So make sure all that's put together. And then you can start putting all that back on. Alright, everybody. To save you all from seeing us in a mood and me having to do a lot of editing, this side is done. Got everything back together in the FAD. All that's bolted back up. Everything on the hub's put back together. RCV boot is in. Dirty, but in. That's alright. This was the first time we've ever had to do this one. But it is in. What do you think?
They're beautiful.
On to the other side.
See, it didn't work.
Oh, we'll be alright.
I'll order it up here if we want to zip it.
Nice. Hey-o!
Dirty whore.
Yeah. Shit.
Oh, I needed that off there anyway, but...
Alright, well, I know there's really no reason to apologize to you guys, but we're apologizing anyway. We got sidetracked, equipment died, so we just kept going on. Nemesis is done. She's over there. Now we're going to start on Otis, but while we were away, do we want to go ahead and tell them? Yeah. While we were away, I changed springs on Nemesis. Actually, we both got springs that we're going to be doing. But Nemesis got a little bit of a lift. I think what we measured it, it was just over an inch.
Yep.
In springs. They're from IronRock. They were scratch and dents, so we got them super cheap. But we're now, what, 4.5, 5-inch lift?
Yeah.
Is what it's going to be sitting at. So that's awesome. I lost my silver springs, though. That's the only bummer. I don't have silver springs. But hey. It's done. It looks great. We will be doing it to Otis. Matt wants to get his drive shaft, at least the front one.
Yeah.
And then do some upgraded shocks when he does that. So, knowing us, probably going to be this year.
Yeah, I
We
mean,
like to say, it's not in the budget. It probably won't happen. No, it's going to happen.
yeah,
So now we're going to start working on, we're going to get these RCVs in Otis here, get them swapped out, hopefully, real quick. It's never real quick, but it's fun.
yes, it is. It is always fun.
At least we don't have to worry about Joe goosing us today.
Yeah. Our posteriors are okay today. Yes, Craig, we have the claw hammer.
Yeah, Craig.
We put some miles on that claw hammer.
And Joe, if you're watching this, thank you for the rubber mat. We're using it today. It is lovely. Now remember everyone, if you are doing this, before you start beating on the hub, take the axle nut off.
Third time's a charm.
We remembered. I don't know if we filmed it on both of them, on both sides of Nemesis, but we forgot this part, so we were beating on it for just a little bit. It's fine. And that came off too?
Wow.
Wow. Otis is spoiling us.
That went right on.
Yeah, dude. That's nice.
Wow, 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 wow. More?
Yep. Okay.
Just took a little teamwork.
Oh, that C-clip
Yeah.
is good and tight. And
Yeah, boy. Ow.
what was that?
Tested the rock row out with my head.
God darn it.
It's alright. I ain't got no brains to lose anyway.
Pink helmet doesn't count. The whole group's not here. I scared myself. I thought it was too short. Wait a minute. No, it's supposed to be.
Ah, yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Yeah. We have RCVs.
Thank you, man.
You're very welcome. Alright guys, that is it for the day. We're not done. We still got to clean up.
Clean up.
But it's always a bummer having to clean up, so we thought we'd go ahead and get it done now. That way we can do that and just get out of here. But it has been a great day.
It has.
We have RCV front axles now.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool.
It is very cool. And Nemesis got a little taller.
Yeah, Nemesis got a little taller. Now we just got to get Otis figured out. We had Otis up another inch, about an inch.
Yeah.
Is what it raised it up. Anyways, I've had those shocks on there, there's springs on there for 3 years now. So it's about time for a change anyways. Plus the little lift is nice anyways. But we won't hold you guys anymore. We appreciate you guys watching this video. If you stayed this long, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe, that'd be pretty awesome. And when you like and comment, that helps us out in the algorithm too. So we're trying to put a video a week out for you guys. We got a bunch of stuff lined up. I don't even know when this video is going out. So hello from whatever day this is. You got anything else for these guys?
I did not, man. I'm tired.
We are exhausted. It's time to go home. Time to take a little nappy poo. And I don't know what's next for you guys. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell, and you'll find out next week what's going on. So pick up all your trash, will you?
Keep your tires on the trail.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye.